A very, very good morning to all of you. Honorable Advisor to Chief Minister, Pu TBC Lalven Chunga, MLA, donor of Lalji Kisailo Award, P. Ethel Lalsam Liani Silo, donor of Incentive Cash Award, Engineer Sabzawa Katla Aizol. Dear and beloved faculty members, staff and my dear students, I am very much delighted to welcome you all to this Fraser Social Come Felicitation Program being held today at this very place. And I extend my warm welcome especially to the freshers. May I request all the freshers to stand up from your respective seat. May I request all the freshers to stand up from your seat. Let us give them a big round of applause. Thank you. I believe that you have chosen the right college to pursue your further studies and to build up your career so that you will become a good citizen of India and a good citizen of Mizoram as well. We know that, you know that, college life is considered to be a little bit different from school life because this is transition phase with new environment, with new phase, with new subjects. You may feel perplexed, but remember this is new chapter. This phase will pass and soon will feel more comfortable here in this college, Zirtiri Science College. And soon you will feel more comfortable. Again, I want to repeat. And that comfort will eventually make you confident. Freshers and seniors, please listen carefully what you have to do in the college. Obey your teachers. Respect your elders as you do so. You will be a very successful student. Dear teachers today, please take care of your students. Treat them like your own child. Treat them like your own children. Help them through their work. If they face any problem, bear with them. Please guide them. Today, I am really glad to announce that our result at the last Mizoram University examination 2025 was maybe a record so far in terms of numbers of top 10 ring holder, as well as in terms of top ring holder. We have 5 top ring holder and as many as 34 top 10 ring holder. There are 5 subjects departments in which our students top in the university last examination, such as computer science, zoology, botany, biochemistry, and home science. My appeal and request to the present student, especially the 5th semester student, is that let this record be broken in the coming university examination. Apart from welcoming the freshers and the guests, I would like to bring the brief history of Government Zirtiri Residential Science College and its present position to the knowledge of our respected chief guests, delegates, and freshers as well. Government Zirtiri Residential Science College was established by the government of Mizoram in 2000 as the sole institution in the state to offer undergraduate science program. The building and other amenities of El Suarziutiri Women College was inherited by newly established Science College. The college was then functioning at the old campus of Zirtiri Women College at Ramtharveng. After 20 years passed, this college was shifted to its permanent campus there at Durtlang. The college has now occupied the status of being the only science college in the state, the only college to offer home science department. The affiliation of Zirtir Women College through Mizoram University as well as University Grant Commission through F and 12B were transferred to this institution. At present, our college offers three undergraduate programs, such as Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Home Science, and Bachelor of Computer Application. There are 69 teaching staff, 23 non-teaching staff at present. The present enrollment of the student is 715 at present. Our college had already faced NAAC accreditation 3 times. In the last NAAC accreditation that was conducted in April 2022, our college was awarded A grade with CGPA 3.09. Lastly, I would like to make gentle request to our chief guest that, sir, we have enough classroom, laboratory, library, to some extent, boys and girls hostel also. What we lack, what we don't have is auditorium. We have a plot of land for the construction of auditorium, which we badly in need of it for conducting function assembly like this. We also need auditorium for conducting internal and external exam, for conducting seminar, conference, so and so forth. We had submitted proposal for the said construction 2-3 times to the government of Mizoram, but not met with success till date. We, the Zirtirians, would be very grateful to you, sir, if you can arrange some funds, maybe from PMJBK, SASKI, I don't know, for the said construction in the near future. Thank you all.